Friends, open PicsArt. Now tap on this plus icon. Now select the backgrounds. Now select the third color, white color. First step, tap on tools. Tap on crop. Now select the portrait as usually. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select the clouds PNG. Friends, this is the first step. You have to simply stretch it and we have to arrange it perfectly in this portion here. Now tap on eraser, tap on erase, increase the size, decrease the opacity, decrease the hardness and erase on the bottom portion. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select the further PNGs. Okay, this is the building. Now simply stretch out and arrange like this. Now tap on eraser, tap on erase, increase little size, decrease opacity, decrease the hardness. Now erase on the top portion. It is perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select the road PNG. This is the photo. First step, you have to go to adjust, decrease the brightness, view the saturation, clarity a little bit, decrease the highlights, decrease the shadow and give little temperature. Now tap on tick. Now decrease the opacity, bring it to center and arrange perfectly like I am doing in the video. Perfect. Increase the opacity. Now tap on eraser, tap on invert. Now tap on restore, increase the size, decrease the opacity and hardness and you have to start drawing like this. Now tap on tick. It's perfect. Next step, you have to go to FX. Now tap on blur. Now tap on first blur option and you have to keep it around 5 or 7. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, we have to go to add photo and select the tribular PNG. And this is the birds PNG and tribular PNG. You can arrange center on the top. Perfect. And arrange this birds PNG here. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, we have to go to add photo and select the model image. Three PNGs, Ramcharan PNG and NTR PNG and the model image. I am going to arrange this one here and this one here. Perfect. Now decrease the opacity. Now tap on Ramcharan PNG, decrease the opacity. Perfect. Now bring main model image. Now first step, you have to go to adjust, increase the saturation and temperature. Now tap on tick. Next step, we have to arrange it perfectly in the center like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, we have to go to add photo and select the further PNGs one by one. Then these are the two PNGs. First I am going to arrange this fire PNG. Go to blend. You have to make it screen and you have to arrange it in this portion here. Perfect. Okay. Now we have to tap on layers, tap on duplicate and tap on flip rotate and select the third one and arrange another one here. Now this time you have to go to adjust, tap on hue and make it -100, -180. Now tap on tick. Now I am going to arrange it perfectly like this. Perfect. Now bring this smoke PNG to the center, zoom out and bring little up. Now go to blend and you have to make it screen. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Okay, perfect. The next step, you have to go to tools, go to adjust, increase little saturation as well as little temperature. Now tap on tick. Now we have to save this image in PicsArt and bring this image to Snapseed app. See you there. Open Snapseed, tap on plus icon and add the photo. First step, tap on pencil and you have to go to details. Increase the details to 50. Now tap on tick. Next step, tap on pencil. You have to go to HDR scape and you have to select the nature. Tap on settings and keep the filter strength to around 20. Now tap on tick. Next step, tap on pencil and you have to go to vignette. Decrease little size like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special tribular photo editing tutorial is completed. This is the before and this is the final output. Now tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.